Start by opening your project and creating a fresh model, which gives you that clean drawing surface we looked at in the intro. Everything from here builds up in layers, the same way you develop a plan by hand, starting rough and adding detail as the drawing tells you what it needs. Let's start with the Wall tool. Click to set your starting point and draw. As you move, Synapse shows you the length the live tweaks, so you can work to exact measurements as you go, rather than correcting them afterward, and even type in the exact length. Click to place each corner and close the loop back at your origin to complete an enclosed space. If you need to adjust a wall after placing it, select it and drag, and anything connected to it stays connected as it moves. With the rough structure in place, we continue with the openings. Choose the Door tool, click on the wall where the door belongs, and just by hovering, you can assign it the right orientation and click once you're ready to place it. While you have the door selected, you can set the width, the height, flip which way it swings, and slide it along the wall until the position feels right. Windows work the same way, so you click along the wall to place one and then set its width and sill height to suit the space. Because these openings live inside the wall, they'll read correctly later when the same plan becomes a render, with the heights you set here carried straight through. Now that the spaces are enclosed, we can define them as rooms and give them finishes. Select a room go to fill, and here you can choose to either give it a solid fill where you can choose any color you want. You can go to texture and upload any texture you want, or also choose a hatch from the built-in library, which can have the background, stroke, opacity, weight, scale, and rotation adjusted. After that, we can further develop the floor plan by adding drag and drop furniture from the asset library. It's organized by category and has search, which makes finding a specific piece quick rather than a scroll through everything. Drag a sofa into the living space, add a bed to the bedroom, place a table where people will actually gather. Then we can make sure that the drawing communicates its measurements. So we add dimensions next. Select the Dimension tool, select the Chain Locked option, and draw dimensions on each side. Then annotations come next. For this, I usually add a layer that points out to any specific object where I can click once on the object we want to label, and then draw out where we want the text placed. Finally, after completing the drawing, we can click on the Paper option. As you can see, it automatically snaps on the standard paper sizes, or we can even choose one from the right side panel. Also make sure that the drawing elements are inside the paper before we export. And if so, just select the paper in the canvas, and in the bottom right side, you can click the plus icon in the Export section. From there, you can choose your format from PDF, JPG, PNG, or even DXF. And once you export it, you can find it exactly in the folder you chose. With that said, that's how we go from a blank canvas to an exported PDF of a floor plan in Synapse. So now, if you want to see where you can make your workflow faster with AI inside Synapse, watch the video on the screen next.